Bang, bang, here we go. Get the wife in. #1 fan, supporter.
That's definitely making the cut.
Is it?
Oh yeah.
Alright. So I got that. Got my boots. Got my bow.
Yep.
We're golden.
Roll.
Kill time. Alright, we just got down here in Maryland and we're on another housing development. So big thing here with this one is there's a pretty decent finger that comes up past this house that actually will get the deer to go across this road, so they'll utilize that to kind of stay out of the yards and whatnot. But been seeing some really good bucks here. Got a huge 4-point on camera and got a 13-point on camera, which is one of my hit list bucks that I want to shoot, in a real nice 9. If any of those bucks come out, we're probably going to try to get an arrow in one. Again, this is a small piece of property. We got landowner's permission. The one landowner says go and hunt, the other ones say we can retrieve deer, so you know, rocking on that. I got my jitters out this morning on those 2 doe, so I'll be cool, calm, and collective in the stand per se. Got my boy Lane behind the video. He's gonna be saddled up right behind me, and we'll see how this night unfolds. But I'm feeling pretty good about it. It's supposed to continue this way. It's supposed to be northwest, but I think we'll be alright. We're gonna climb one of these trees here. They should come up here and cut in, or they're gonna come straight from the bottom. You can look over here. They're utilizing this. Going up here, but this gives them the best opportunity to get across the road and not necessarily get seen. They have that backing that's a big hill, so they feel protected from the other house. So let's quit playing around getting the tree. Alright, here we are. Evening, the first evening of Maryland. Wind is pretty good, but if we get a gust, it's a little sketchy. But sometimes I find out that, you know, hunting that marginal wind is how you kill the big ones, because they live and die by their nose. So fingers crossed, big 9 or the 13-point comes out tonight, and I can get an arrow in him. It's gonna be close quarters. Probably looking at less than a 20-yard shot, any which way I look at it. But stay tuned and let's hopefully lay a big one down tonight. Alright, what a night. So we ended up rolling in there, got the stand set up, and we had a doe come in probably right around 5 o'clock, and she hung out for quite some time. Wind was perfect when we first got in the stand. Every now and then we get a little backlash, and as the night unfolded, the wind started dropping and it was kind of pulling down towards the water. And long and short of it, this deer come in from the backside right at like shooting light. Still had quite a bit to our left in the yard. It was, you know, pretty much daylight, but inside that woods, it was just a little too dark with the overgrowth. And he came in, and it was the freaky one that we wanted to go after, that 13 point. And man, he's a big buck too. He's definitely big. Being that we're in so close quarters, it's just one of those things that I just did not feel comfortable with the shot. I was at full draw on him. I could not really see exactly where his front leg was. He has a lot of white up on his chest, and I didn't know if it was belly or if it was actually the front of it. So opted to pass. Probably shoot in here next week sometime and do it all over again. Me and Lane, we're hungry as can be. I got a big fishing tournament tomorrow that I'm heading to, and I got to get up at like 3 o'clock, and it's 8:30, and we're like an hour and a half from home. So I want to smash 2 cheeseburgers here. All right, it's October 7th. I got a northwest wind here on the property that I'm at. I'm actually hunting the development tonight. So I only got like an acre of property to hunt, but the lantern is super cool. Had a ton of opportunity to shoot some doe here and some little bucks, but I passed. I'm actually looking for a pretty, I know it sounds weird, but like he's like a big 4 point. He might be a 6. He has like little brows, but the deer is super old, super thick. Just, I mean, he's gnarly looking. So I'm gonna try to hold out for him, but there's some other nice bucks here. There's a real nice 8, real nice 9, and there's a 13 point here, but we haven't seen them, only on the camera at dark. So occasionally we'll catch the big 4 or 6, whatever you want to call them, you know, during daylight hours. So deer should be coming from that way. So we're in the money. Show up through here, but especially when the thermals start, it'll just go down. But feels like a good night. See what happens. I gotta switch out the battery quick, and we'll get it in. There's one doe here that's really getting me mad. She picked me up twice now. So depending if she comes up and out of this bottom, probably gonna have to shoot her because she'll catch my wind again, and I'm just not dealing with it. So lanterners, it's smoking. So I'll take a big old cow, see what happens, but she ain't gonna bust me tonight, that's for sure. Yes, just shot a turd. Oh, he's down that quick. Oh man, dude's a hammer. Oh yes, yes. Man, I'm shaking like a leaf. I'll tell you, I've been hunting that buck. Oh, he's a toad. He's so old and freaking gnarly. He's a big freaking giant, man. Freaking right, man. He's down right there, like 30 freaking yards, man. I mean, right there, chip shot, 18 yards, smashed him, man, smashed him. Oh, he's down. Oh, wait till I call Kev, man. He's gonna just call him up. I gotta let him know. I think he just, yeah, freak at the corn. So it's the freaky one, man. Right there, Kevin. Oh, watch this. Call him. He's watching from his house.
You get his ass.
Smoked him, bro.
I knew it.
My boy Kevin. My boy Kevin, he's out there in the yard right now. Woo! Yeah, he's got himself. Well, he's got me a beer, so that's something to celebrate. Yeah. This city hunting's wild. Alright, I'm gonna shut the camera down, get out. Alright. So there's the arrow. All nice covered in blood. And I'm pretty sure he went this way. So I'm gonna grab, oh yeah, wait, there's blood there. He went straight through there. Oh, what a toad. Oh man. What a toad, dude. What a toad. I mean, look at the junk on him. Wow. What a stud. Thanks, brother.
You're welcome.
Yeah, man. October 7th. I worked a long day at work, slipped in here, got in the stand right around 5 o'clock, and Kevin, the property owner, says, man, they're showing up, I'm telling you, about 6:30. Here he comes, and I mean, I absolutely drilled him, but I'm telling you, this buck is wild. I never shot anything like this in my life. I mean, look at his brow, call him old triple brow. He's just a stud, an old warrior, big old buck, man. In the presence. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you do so. And there's a lot of action coming at you. I know Jason today, he smashed a hind down in Seekaville, and it's just non-stop action here on the channel. So